Today we're making a smoky chorizo and tomato one-pan rice. Big flavour, minimal effort, and everything cooked in one pan. Before the pan goes on, I'm going to get everything ready. Slice the chorizo if you've got a whole one. Dice the onion, mince the garlic, measure out the spices and rice. Once it starts cooking, it moves really quickly. Get the pan over a medium heat and add the chorizo. Let it cook gently until the oil renders out and the edges start to colour. Add the onion into the pan, give it a stir, let it soften and take on that oil. Once that's looking good, add the garlic for about 30 seconds. Next we're going to throw in the spices. Keep them moving so they bloom nicely. Tip the rice in and give it a good stir so every grain gets coated. Pour in your chicken stock and your tomatoes, scrape the bottom of the pan. That's all flavour. Give it a little stir, put your lid on, turn the heat down, and let it quietly do its thing. Let this cook for around 15 minutes. Once it's cooked, let it rest, fluff it up, and serve it straight from the pan. This is a recipe that keeps really well too. It'll sit happily in the fridge for up to 3 days, and it freezes well for a couple of months. Just make sure it's reheated properly and only reheat it once. Smoky, comforting, and exactly how weeknight food should be. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, do me a favour, hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more of this in the future, hit that subscribe button as well. And I hope you get a chance to cook something that makes you smile this week.